I'm from grade 5. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, Independence Day. This is the day when our country became free, and it's a day that fills us with pride and happiness. Many years ago, our country was not free. People could only do what they wanted and they had to follow unfair rules. But brave men and women, whom we call our freedom fighters, stood up against these unfair rules. They worked very hard and even made big sacrifices so that we could live in a free country. Because of their courage, we are living free today. Independence Day is not just about remembering the past, it's also thinking about how we can make our country even better in the future. We can also do this by being good students, helping others, and always telling the truth. When we all work together and care for each other, we make our country stronger. So, on this Independence Day, let's promise to do our best for the country and to make it a place where everyone can be happy and